Dis 'n wonderlike geleentheid, dis 'n groot geleentheid vir ons en ek bring gewoonlik my wapenrusting saam, né? Dis nou hierdie Makaraba en kyk hoe vinnig is die paparazzi, né? Dis seker vir bladsy 3 van die Son en dan die Vuvuzela. Ek blaas beter op ons plastiek een eintlik, maar dit was net vir die fotoshoot. Nou kan julle ontspan, hoor. You may now relax. Ek wil julle groet met 4 woorde. En die woorde is Ayoba, Zakumi, Jabulani, Matis en dan dink ek moet ons 'n 5de stelletjie bysit en sê Pumlani Sibula.
Om terug te kom na sokker. So ek het hierdie van hierdie terme verskriklik interessant gevind. En daar was 'n paar wat vir my nogal baie sprekend was. I came across the term banana kick. And immediately I can see that banana, and it's described as the type of kick that gives the ball a curved trajectory used to get the ball around an obstacle such as a goaltender or defender. So I thought that was a very good way of describing that kind of kick. Die Afrikaans is nie so interessant nie, dis draaiskop of kurweskop. So I like the banana kick a lot. Maar nou is daar 'n volgende term wat ek dink die Afrikaans weer lekkerder is en dit is die opskop. Nou dadelik as mense in Afrikaans opskop hoor, dan dink jy aan 'n partytjie, né? Lekker. The English is only a bicycle kick. So, yeah, bicycle is a bit more boring than opskop. In isiXhosa it is isiza kiki, which I also like, isiza kiki. So daai opskop. So ons is dan baie trots op hierdie publikasie en ek wil graag vir Pumlani Simbula van die eenheid van isiXhosa vorentoe roep. Hy is die outeur, he's the author of this terminology list.
I just want to say Molweni, which means hello. Okay. When Sunette and Suzanne approached our office, the language center, Professor de Stadler, the whole management, and myself, we were so happy. As a result, I don't know how to express myself, except I can say, ek is opgewonde. Okay. I just want to thank everybody who participated in this project. It was a fun thing to do because as soccer, we grew up with soccer. So when we participated in it, it's like the Stellenbosch University gave us a chance to give something to do.